I have mastered this thing called a 2-hour workday, which is very, very important. And I tell you what, the fact that I'm like this close to being a multiple six-figure income earner in under a year is almost surreal. But you know what, Michelle, I want to share this with you guys. This program is absolutely phenomenal. The skills that I've learned, guys, the training, the community, the support, just everything is so strategically put together. There's no gray areas, guys. It's just white and black. Like that's just what it is. But this is the best thing that I love about this. This is why I love this business. My daughter, the other day, my daughter is a senior this year. And so she has been accepted into an HBCU school in Atlanta. It's called Clark University. Now, I want you guys, and I'm not saying this to brag, guys. This is a blessing, and this is what it's all about. My daughter's going to go there for 4 years, but her first year is already paid for, and that costs $55,000. I'm able to pay that, guys, for the whole year and deal with the rest, paying for the semester as it go by. I could cry right now because that's just all I've ever wanted, because I missed out on so much time with her when she was in cheerleading, when she was doing t-ball, soccer, stuff that I never had a father-daughter dance. I missed out on all of that. And so the fact that now she's going to be 18 next month and I'm able to force out that type of income, guys, and this is my why. This is why I show up. That's why this program is a blessing, because I went from working 70 hours a week to make 900 a week to now, guys, making anywhere between a comfortable 25, close to 30,000 every single month. And I only work 2 hours a day, guys, just following this thing. And it's just almost surreal. And I tell people, listen, you don't reinvent the wheel. Just stay plugged into everything that we teach over here. You don't have to be smarter than a fifth grader. You just got to be coachable, be willing to commit to 2 hours a day, and stay consistent. If you can do that, guys, I'm telling you, it's unreal where this business can take you.
Oh, I love that. And that feel good though to pay for your
Oh
daughter's
my God, it's almost surreal. I can't
yeah.
even believe it. Like,
Yeah,
but I mean, that's just what it is. It's just a blessing, because I could have, when I saw that post, like most of us, because a lot of times we think things are too good to be true. So we just scroll on past it. And I could have done that. I could have just did that. Right. But I'm glad that, you know, that's literally the best financial decision I've ever made, because I never made more than 70,000, 65. I've never made more than $68,000 in any year in business, online, offline, anywhere. So the fact that I'm who knows what I'm going to make by the end of this year. There's still 4.5 months left, but it's surreal, because again, you don't know what you don't know. And that's the power of digital marketing, having a system that you're getting 100% of the commission on, and having a blueprint, guys, that's straight and narrow. If you just follow it, and stay consistent and just show up and stay plugged in, it's going to be hard for you to lose.